Car service. All cars love it and need it, but most car owners dread it. Like sending your pet to the vet, you wonder about what goes on behind closed doors. But that needn't be the case here. I'm at the Volkswagen Group Singapore Service Centre to find out what happens when your car receives its regular service. So I'm going to send Bob here in for his regular checkup. Let's go find out. We're having a face-to-face to discuss what's needed for the car here, but you can choose to drop off your car and have the service advisor call you later if you're in a hurry or just wish to do things the new normal way. Once our service advisor has figured out what the car needs, it's logged into the system and the car is handed over to service personnel to begin its journey. Like a car itself, there are many moving parts working together efficiently inside the service center to make a smooth running machine. If you're here to just replace easily fitted parts such as wiper blades, that can be done in less than half an hour at a quick service bay. The bodywork and paint department manages accident repairs, and damaged vehicles can be towed here directly for assessment. There's also the parts department that ensures all the right bits go to where they are most needed, when they are most needed. With the system telling the mechanic what's needed, the stage is set. At this workshop, highly trained personnel work within the system for maximum effectiveness. There's no tripping over spanners here. The job time depends on the task, of course. 1 hour for routine maintenance to around 3 hours for a major service. After the job's done, it's not really done, of course. It's checked by a quality control executive to ensure that everything's done according to the highest standards. So we've seen that an efficient service centre like the one Volkswagen Group Singapore has actually looks boring from the outside, but behind the scenes it's a well-knit, tightly oiled machine that works to give you the best service experience. And don't just take my word for it either. So that service done only took about half as much time as I expected. I'm happy, and I think Bob's happy too. Time to hit the road.